What are the features of POS? When you click on the POS link on the side menu, you will be redirected to the POS page. Here you can see a variety of features. There you can see each of the categories of clothes that we saw earlier. The list below includes all the already saved and newly added clothes. You can also see the added service by clicking on the image of the cloth. Here also there are features to add customers just like in the master entry. You can choose a delivery boy from here too. On this page, you can add clothes and services that are not already available on the list. From here you can click on any of the images and select the service, price mode and delivery type. At that time, if in case you did not select the customer, you have to add that. Either you can select the customer from the already saved list, or if it is a new customer you can add him to the list. If a particular service is not already saved for a cloth type, you can add that too along with the price list. Once saved, you can do the changes by clicking on the place where you want to make the changes. At the bottom of the page, you have options to add discounts as well. The prices will automatically change according to the addition of services in the same way as before. Then save it. After that, you have to choose and add the delivery boy. Finally, click Save and Pay. Then you can see the bill settlement. There you have options to choose the copy and add credit if in need. The advance amount is also available here. Further, this can be either saved or printed. Now if you want to check the bill settlement, click on the bill list and choose the date where you can find all the details of the former bill settlement. There you can see the delivery status. If you want to do any payment of the credits, there is an option here to do that too. Click the Pay Now. Choose the payment method and thus payment can be completed. Click on Details to get the full bill details. You can save or print this if you wish. Then you can select the billing history, and if you click the WhatsApp icon, an automated message with details will be sent to the WhatsApp number. Further, there are options to export this to an Excel file by clicking Export. Here you can search the pending as well as all payment details by selecting the date and status accordingly. You can also search by the name of the delivery boy and the work done. You can further perform edits on the bill list by clicking on it and updating the changes like adding services, delivery date, time and so on. By clicking on the plus sign on the bottom right corner of the page, you can add new clothes and their images. Also by clicking on the clothes icon and then the plus sign there, you can add new services and save them. For internal processes, you can find out the employee who did the work when you select the work done option on the POS page. Here also you can do the bill payment by clicking the settlement option. You can print the receipt from here too.